How to speed off Telegram download. Speeding off Telegram download is very easy. Just follow all the steps till the end. Now without much ado, let's dive right into the video. You need to check whether your internet connection is working well or not. Make sure it is stable. If your mobile data is not working well, you need to switch to the internet connection or Wi-Fi so that it helps us to speed off Telegram download because instead of mobile data or in comparison to mobile data, the Wi-Fi works very well. After that, you need to check whether your cache of Telegram has been deleted or not. For that, tap and hold the particular application or Telegram app and now tap on the app info icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now on this app info section, you need to scroll down, tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Clearing cache will delete different kinds of bugs and glitches that may be hampering the speed of Telegram downloads. Once done, get back to the same app info page and tap on the open icon at the top left corner of the screen to get access to your Telegram. Make sure you have logged into your Telegram account. Tap three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen and on this left panel you will get settings option. Tap on it to access settings page. When you scroll down, you will get option for Telegram Premium. Tap on it and you can easily subscribe for $35.99 per year and use the Telegram Premium so that you can easily speed up Telegram downloads without any kind of issue or problem. So once you have subscribed to Telegram Premiums, if your downloading still have not been speed up, you can easily reinstall the application once and again install on your device with the help of the Play Store or App Store. So that's it. That's how we easily speed up Telegram download. I hope this feature or video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.